In this video, we are going to discuss Tasmanian tiger, extinct or hiding. Imagine a vast wild island, an island covered in dense ancient forests. The air is cool and damp. Strange sounds echo through the trees at night. Here, a mysterious creature once roamed. It was a hunter unlike any other. It had the stripes of a tiger, but it was not a cat. It had the head of a wolf, but it was not a dog. It was something truly unique to this land. For many years, we have been told this animal is gone forever. But is it? Could a shadow from the past still be hiding just out of our sight? This is one of nature's greatest mysteries. The question haunts scientists and explorers alike. Is the thylacine truly extinct? Or is it simply a master of hiding? Perhaps it has survived deep within the untouched wilderness of Tasmania. The island is large, and much of it remains unexplored by humans. What was this remarkable animal really like? The thylacine was a fascinating creature. It was a marsupial, a kangaroo, a koala. This means the mother had a pouch to carry her young, but this pouch was different. It opened towards the back. The thylacine looked like a medium-sized dog. Sandy yellow fur, grayish-brown fur. Dark stripes ran across its lower back and tail. These stripes earned it the name Tasmanian tiger, a powerful, distinct animal, perfectly adapted to its environment, the largest carnivorous marsupial of modern times. Its behavior was as unique as its appearance, a quiet, secretive hunter. Mostly active at night, at dawn, at dusk, it hunted alone. Sometimes in pairs, it preyed on wallabies, birds, and other small mammals. When European settlers arrived in Tasmania in the 19th century, they brought sheep with them. The settlers were farmers. They saw the wild Tasmanian landscape as a place to be tamed, and they saw the thylacine not as a unique wonder of nature, but as a threat. They believed the thylacines were killing their sheep. The shy, nocturnal hunter was quickly branded a villain. It was called a sheep killer. Fear and misunderstanding began to grow. The farmers wanted the thylacine gone. This was a fatal misunderstanding. To protect their livestock, the settlers declared war on the thylacine. A bounty was placed on its head. A money reward was offered for every thylacine killed. Private companies, Tasmanian government, hunters, trappers, dogs, guns. Thousands upon thousands of thylacines were killed for this reward money. It was a systematic slaughter. The shy creature stood no chance against this organized hunt. Its numbers began to drop at an alarming rate. The hunting was not the only problem. The thylacine's world was also shrinking. As the human population grew and forests were cleared, its habitat disappeared, and the animals it hunted became scarcer. The story of the last known thylacine is, honestly, a deeply sad one. In 1933, a farmer named Elias Churchill caught a male thylacine in a snare in the Florentine Valley of Tasmania. The animal was then sold to the Hobart Zoo. He was given the name Benjamin. For 3 years, Benjamin lived alone in a cold, concrete enclosure. He was the last of his kind in captivity anywhere in the world. People could come and see him, a living relic. There is famous black and white footage of Benjamin. It is the only moving picture record we have of a living thylacine. The film is silent and haunting. We see him open his mouth in a massive yawn, revealing the true, astonishing extent of his gape. This silent film is our last precious window into the life of this animal. It is a ghost on a screen, a final fleeting glimpse of a creature we failed to save. Benjamin's end was tragic and preventable. He was not given the care that such a rare animal deserved. On the night of September 7, 1936, the weather turned cold in Hobart. Benjamin was accidentally locked out of his sheltered sleeping quarters. The next morning, he was found dead from exposure. His death was a quiet, lonely end to a magnificent species. Even after Benjamin's death, the stories did not stop. In fact, they grew stronger. From the 1940s to the present day, people have continued to report seeing the thylacine in the wild. Hundreds, even thousands. These reports come from all sorts of people: experienced bushmen, park rangers, tourists, local farmers. They describe seeing a strange, dog-like animal with stripes on its back. Many of the witnesses are, honestly, very convincing. They describe the animal's stiff tail and unusual way of moving. They are certain they did not see a dog or a feral cat. These stories are often accompanied by tantalizing but inconclusive evidence. Footprints, casts of footprints, strange animal calls recorded in the deep forest at night. Farmers have reported unusual kills among their livestock. Photographs, videos, most are blurry and taken from a great distance. They show shapes that could be a thylacine, but they could also be something else. Each new piece of evidence sparks a fresh wave of excitement and debate. So, what is the truth? Is the Tasmanian tiger gone forever, a ghost that exists only in old films and stories? Or is it a living survivor, a master of concealment, hiding out in the last great wilderness of Australia? The search for answers continues. If you liked it, tap that like and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.